Here in the wake of dawn, I see you shine. When I feel that heartbeat, I fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher, fly so much higher.
Strankenstein's monsters.
You know when you and your spouse split up so one of them can go Christmas shopping and you've got to keep the kids entertained? Yeah, we're past the entertain point.
Why don't they open the mail?
Now we get to walk around the store without running into Mama with all the presents. Fruit snacks. Huh? That's how you get Bubba to settle down. Fruit snacks.
How about Wiley?
Fruit snacks.
How about Wiley?
Oh, I ate all the grape ones. Bradley got some chips.
Hi, these are really cheesy toys.
I'm here at MilSimC Airsoft Arena, waiting for some of my umbrella guys and some of my guys from work. We're gonna go in and have some fun. John's trying to fix my gun. My gun is working.
Put a rifle battery in there.
Gotta get a little bit of got shot in my junk and I was already out. Not thrilled about it.
What are you doing?
Vlogging here.
Alright, can I get everybody out here? We're going to split up teams and start the game.
Lens flare. I like it. Production value right there. Spicy. Hasn't gonna melt.
Not even hot.
Not even hot.
Liar.
Your throat's closing up. Oh.
And then can't away.
Steve's over here tearing up.